If you've been making your YouTube thumbnails, social media graphics, and presentations the slow way, this video is going to cut that time by about 80%. Canva has been the go-to design tool for non-designers for years, but the AI features they've added in the last 12 months have turned it into something completely different. Not just a template tool anymore, a full AI-powered design system that can generate images, resize your designs across every platform in one click, write your copy, remove backgrounds, and build entire presentations from a single text prompt. In this video, I'm going to show you everything, from setting up your free account to the AI features most people never find. If you create any kind of visual content and you're not using these features yet, you're working harder than you need to. Let's start with the basics. Canva is a browser-based design tool. You go to canva.com, sign in with your Google account, and you're in. Nothing to download. Works on any computer. The free plan is genuinely comprehensive. Thousands of templates, a massive element library, and access to the core AI features. The Pro plan at $15 a month adds the full premium library, unlimited AI generation credits, and the features I'm going to spend the most time on today. Everything I show you in this video is available on the free plan unless I specifically say otherwise. When you first log in, you'll see the Canva home screen. The search bar at the top is your fastest way in. Type what you want to create: YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, presentation, business card, flyer, and Canva shows you templates at exactly the right dimensions for that format. Click one you like, it opens in the editor, and you start customizing. The editor itself is straightforward. Your design canvas is in the center. The left sidebar has your tools: templates, elements, text, brand, uploads, photos, videos, and AI tools. The top toolbar changes based on what you have selected on the canvas. Let's go through the AI features one by one. Feature 1. Magic Media. This is Canva's AI image generator. You describe what you want to see, and Canva generates it directly inside your design. To access it, click the Apps button in the left sidebar. It looks like a grid of dots. Search for Magic Media. Click it, and a prompt box appears. Type a description of the image you want. The more specific you are, the better the result. Don't type "a woman working." Type "a confident professional woman in her 30s working on a laptop in a bright modern office. Natural window light, warm color tones, photorealistic style, looking slightly off camera with a focused expression." Canva generates 4 image options. Click the one you like. It drops directly onto your canvas. You can then resize it, reposition it, and layer text on top. For YouTube thumbnails specifically, this replaces the need to source stock photos. You describe exactly the visual you want, generate it, and use it. No licensing issues, no searching through stock libraries, no settling for something that's almost right. The free plan includes a limited number of Magic Media generations per month. The Pro plan gives you significantly more. If you're producing content regularly, the Pro plan pays for itself in stock photo costs alone. Feature 2. Magic Design. This is the feature that genuinely amazes people the first time they see it. Click Create a Design from the home screen. Instead of choosing a template, look for the Magic Design option. It appears as a sparkle icon in the template search area. Click it. Type a description of what you want, and Canva generates a complete designed layout from scratch. Create a YouTube thumbnail for a video about AI tools for beginners. Dark background, bold green text, modern tech aesthetic. Canva produces a set of fully designed options with layouts, colors, fonts, and placeholder images, all chosen to match your description. You pick the one closest to what you want and customize from there. For presentations, this is especially powerful. Type, create a 10-slide presentation about the benefits of using AI tools for small businesses. Professional style, dark blue and white color scheme. Canva builds you a complete presentation deck, slide by slide, with layouts, headings, and placeholder content. Your job is to replace the placeholder text with your actual content and adjust anything that doesn't fit. What used to take 2 hours takes about 15 minutes. Feature 3. Magic Resize. This is the most practically useful feature on the entire platform and the one that saves the most time for content creators specifically. When you create any design in Canva, a YouTube thumbnail, a social media post, a presentation slide, you can instantly resize it to any other format with one click. Click the Resize button in the top toolbar of any design. A panel opens showing dozens of format options: Instagram Square, Instagram Story, Facebook Post, Twitter Header, LinkedIn Banner, YouTube Thumbnail, YouTube Channel Art, TikTok Video, Pinterest Pin, and more. Select as many as you want. Click Resize. Canva creates a copy of your design reformatted for every size you selected, automatically repositioning elements to fit the new dimensions. What this means practically, you design once and distribute everywhere. Create your YouTube thumbnail. Click Resize. Select Instagram Square and Instagram Story. And in 30 seconds, you have 3 versions of the same design ready for 3 different platforms. Magic Resize is a pro feature, not available on the free plan. But if you post on multiple platforms, it's the single feature most worth paying for. Feature 4. Background Remover. Upload any photo with a person or object you want to isolate. Click the photo. Click Edit Photo in the top toolbar. Click Background Remover. In about 3 seconds, Canva removes the background entirely, leaving just your subject on a transparent background. You can then place that cutout subject on any background you choose: a solid color, a gradient, a generated image, a blurred background, anything. For YouTube thumbnails, this is the standard technique. Take a photo of yourself or use a stock photo of a person. Remove the background. Place them on a bold colored background with large text next to them. This format consistently outperforms every other thumbnail style in terms of click-through rate. Background Remover is available on the free plan with a limited number of uses per month. Pro gives you unlimited uses. Feature 5. Magic Write. This is Canva's AI text generator built directly into the editor. When you click on any text box in your design, look for the AI Sparkle button that appears in the text toolbar. Click it, and Magic Write opens. You can ask it to write copy for whatever you're designing. Write a headline for a YouTube thumbnail about AI tools for beginners. Punchy, under 6 words, creates urgency. Write 5 tagline options for this business card. Write the introduction slide text for this presentation about productivity. Magic Write generates text options directly inside your design. You click the one you like and it drops into the text box. No copying and pasting between tools. For people who struggle with copywriting, headlines, taglines, calls to action, this feature removes that friction completely. Feature 6. Magic Animate. Any static design you create in Canva can be turned into an animated video with one click. With your design, click Present in the top right, then click Animate. Canva shows you a range of animation styles: elements fading in, sliding, bouncing, pulsing. Click any style to preview it. Click Apply to apply it to your entire design. Export as MP4 or GIF, and you have an animated version of your design for social media, email, or video content. For YouTube Shorts specifically, you can create a designed graphic in Canva, animate it, export as MP4, and use it as a short-form video. No video editing software required. Feature 7. Brand Kit. If you're building a channel or a business, Brand Kit is the feature that makes everything look consistent. Go to Brand in the left sidebar. Click Add New Brand Kit. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, add the hex codes for your specific colors, and choose your brand fonts. Once your brand kit is set up, those colors and fonts are available at the top of every color picker and font selector in the editor. You never have to remember hex codes. Every design you create starts from your brand's visual identity. For AIMode viewers building a channel, create a brand kit with your channel's color scheme and fonts. Every thumbnail, every graphic, every shorts overlay will automatically match. Consistency builds brand recognition, and brand recognition builds subscribers. Brand Kit is available in a basic form on the free plan and fully featured on Pro. Let me give you the workflow that puts all of this together. You need a YouTube thumbnail. Here's the complete workflow using Canva AI. Open Canva. Click Create a Design. Search YouTube thumbnail. It opens at the correct 1280 by 720 pixel dimensions automatically. Go to Apps in the left sidebar. Open Magic Media. Generate an image matching your video topic. Be specific and descriptive. Drop the generated image onto your canvas. Resize it to fill the right half of the thumbnail. Add a text box on the left. Use Magic Write to generate 3 headline options. Pick the best one. Apply your brand kit colors and fonts to the text. Click Background Remover on your image if you want to isolate a subject. Download as PNG. Total time from blank canvas to finished professional thumbnail: 8 to 12 minutes, compared to 45 minutes the traditional way. The free plan versus Pro. Here's the honest breakdown. The free plan gives you access to Magic Media with limited generations, Magic Write, Magic Animate, Basic Brand Kit, Background Remover with limited uses, and the full template and element library. For someone just starting out, the free plan is genuinely sufficient. Canva Pro at $15 a month adds Magic Resize, the single biggest time saver, unlimited background remover, unlimited Magic Media generations, the full premium template and element library, and advanced brand kit features. My recommendation: start free. Use it seriously for 2 weeks. If you find yourself wanting Magic Resize, which you will if you post on multiple platforms, upgrade to Pro. The $15 pays for itself immediately in time saved. Both plans are available at canva.com. The link is in the description. And that's the complete picture of Canva AI in 2026. It's not just a template tool anymore. It's a full AI design system that generates images, writes copy, resizes across every platform, removes backgrounds, animates, and maintains your brand identity, all in the browser. No design experience required. Start with a free account today. Build your first YouTube thumbnail using the workflow I just showed you. The difference from your current process will be immediate. Free plan link is in the description below. Subscribe to AIMode for a new practical AI tool breakdown every single week. I'll see you in the next one.